This is Michael Lukes from How to Livable. Today I'm going to show you how to hide and how to unsubscribe from calendars in Google Calendar. First, you want to go ahead and head over to Google Calendar on desktop. Just click on the little calendar. On the left-hand side, you can see the calendars that you're subscribed to. And if there's a check mark, that means you can view that calendar in your calendar. So for example, we see this as Michael's birthday. That's on this calendar. If I click off it, it goes away. Now that doesn't mean I'm unsubscribed. That means it's hidden. So if you want to hide events from a calendar, you click that. You click the check mark. If you want to unsubscribe, then you have to hover over it, and then you'll see an X on the right-hand side of it. Click on the X to unsubscribe, and that will erase that calendar from your Google account. So go ahead and click on the X. It says, are you sure you want to remove it? You'll no longer have access. Other people with access can continue to use it. So it's not going to delete the calendar for everybody else, but it's going to remove me from it, and I will no longer have access to it or an ability to see it or manage it. So I don't need that one anymore. I'm going to go ahead and click on Remove Calendar. Now that one is gone. So that is how you remove or unsubscribe from a calendar and how to hide calendars in Google Calendar. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a like. We'd also love to have you as a subscriber to the How to Livable channel. Thanks. Have a great day.